When God called us to be the salt of this earth, ang una-una kong naiisip is preservation. Ang una-una kong naiisip is so that we counterattack the decays of this world. Because this world, because of the systems of this world, because of what is happening to this world right now, the systems of it, it's decaying. So many sins, so many temptations, so many people glorifying sins, making it normalized or whatsoever. And so when God called us to be the salt of this earth, it's like preserving the decay or trying to counterattack the decay so that it will not decay fully. Kasi 'di ba, ang salt is ginagamit nilang preservative back then, but it's not just that, guys. Like, I have learned another thing about salt, about salt itself. And so mula kasi pagkabata ako, kapag kasi nagkakaroon ako ng singaw dito sa bunganga ko, ang palaging sinasabi ng lola ko is, lagyan mo ng asin. But yung asin kasi is parang mahapdi. 'Di ba meron yung kataga kasi na do not rub salt into wounds kasi nga masyado siyang mahapdi, humahapdi siya. And sometimes it worsen the situation, mas lalong lumalala yung sugat. And so I asked myself, I got so curious na malaman kung what does salt do to our wounds? Ano nga ba yung ano nga ba yung impact or epekto ng paggamit ng asin sa mga sugat natin? And so guys, I found out that there are two types of salt, the diluted one and the one that is not diluted, the diluted and undiluted. And so, when you use diluted salt, do you know what it does to our wounds? It helps clean the wounds. It draws out fluid via osmosis and offers mild antiseptic properties, promoting faster healing. So, kapag diluted yung salt, nagkakaroon ng faster healing process yung mga sugat natin. Kapag diluted yung salt, nagkakaroon siya ng cleansing properties or nagkakaroon siya ng cleansing power towards our wounds, resulting for our wounds to heal faster. And ano naman ang nangyayari kapag undiluted ito? Kapag hindi diluted yung salt, it hurts and harms the wound. So, kapag hindi siya diluted, mas lalong nagiging grabe yung epekto niya sa sugat, mas lalong nagiging worse yung situation ng sugat. And so, guys, God just revealed to me that when God called us to be the salt of this earth, He means we should be the diluted ones, the diluted salt, ones that promotes cleansing, ones that promotes faster healing towards our fellow people. Kasi guys, do you know what happened?